Hello world, this is Marcus from Berlin, Germany, and what I want to show you today is my final project for CS50, which is called gcal-parser. What it does is it parses a Google Calendar list of events into beautiful HTML. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a calendar ID here. You find these in your Google Calendar, and a number of events. Let's say 20. Looks good. So let's go for it. What it does is it shows you a list of your next now 20 upcoming events in HTML. This is absolutely responsive. I learned a lot here about this, how to do this magic. And you can even see more if you want. So it shows you the description and location and even a Google Maps link to search for that location. So what it also does, it offers to categorize your events. So let's say we want to have 10 events now, and like common categories in my events are like if it's opera or operetta or musical, because this is my professional calendar now. And let's go for it. It shows the event type by finding that in the description and displaying that here. So that's basically it. I can also do that with another calendar that's not mine personally. If I wanted to do it like with a completely random calendar, I would have to complete a very difficult authorization process by Google. So I'm not going to do that here. But like, for example, this is some university calendar about weekend courses. So you see what it does. It's very useful. I'm going to use it on my own webpage, and looking forward to the next course by CS50. This was CS50. Thank you very much.